Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we are going to be showing you guys that it is snow in Fortnite Battle Royale. Alright, you see that big blob of ice in there? That's the snow. Wow, so me and a couple of other YouTubers like me are seeing, like, on the Reddit there has been leaks, and after this we will go into replay mode, so see you guys then. Now we're in replay mode, guys. You will finally see the ice clearly, fair and square. The ice over there. See you guys straight ahead. And Fortnite, why have you added other islands? And hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. I know it's very short, but peace. Hopefully you guys enjoy.